Hey everyone, welcome back. I am the Electrical Code Coach, and this is the electrical question of the day. Unless it is used for a motor or HVAC or other special circumstance, 12 gauge wire must be supplied from a maximum 20 amp breaker or fuse. And I do want to note that every day I post these polls on the Electrical Code Coach YouTube channel, and then I come back and make these videos to answer them. And at the end of the post, there's always this video that you can click on to watch the explained answer. So if you'd love to share this with people, we get interactive. It's a great way, whether you're a homeowner or electrician, to get involved and immersed in the code every single day. Well, the answer to this question is going to be found in 240.4D, and the answer is yes. So there are specific rules in this code section that are for small conductors. So if you are a 14 gauge conductor, it is limited to a 15 amp breaker or fuse. 12 gauge limited to 20, 10 gauge limited to 30. And that is just the baseline rule, unless, remember, this is the NEC, the National Exception Code. There's another section in the code here that is 240.4G, and it says if it's any one of these other circumstances that are listed in a very long laundry list that include motors, HVAC, other equipment, special circumstances, that there are times that you are allowed to protect these size wires above these minimum size breakers. But as a baseline rule for regular branch circuits, unless it's one of these ones for these special circumstances, you're not allowed to exceed 14 gauge wire on a 15 amp breaker, 12 gauge wire on a 20 amp breaker, or 10 gauge wire on a 30 amp breaker. I am the Electrical Code Coach, and you can learn more about this and lots of other topics at electricalexamcoach.com. Just want to see you guys win. Let's get to it.